Today on Mike Attempts, miter saw recall fix. DeWalt has issued a rear guard recall for the DWS-779, DWS-780, and the DHS-790 miter saws. Only saws with date codes 2019-04 through 2022-04 are affected. Saws with a green dot at the end of the serial number, which is missing on mine, or a black dot on the arm, also missing on mine, are safe and do not need this fix. The free repair kit comes with a redesigned rear guard and 2 screws. Unplug the saw or remove the battery before starting. Raise the blade guard and loosen the guard bracket screw just enough so it holds the blade guard in place. Push the guard bracket up to expose the blade bolt. Remove the blade tool from the back of the saw base. Press the spindle lock button with your right hand, while carefully turning the blade with your left hand until it locks. With the spindle lock button still depressed, remove the blade bolt. The blade bolt is reverse threaded, so turn it clockwise. Remove the clamp washer and blade. Pinch the deflector and pull down to remove. Now remove the 2 screws securing the rear guard. Hold the new guard sideways and insert the bottom screw about halfway. Rotate the guard and slowly tighten the side screw as you align it into position. They want you to finish tightening the bottom screw like this, but the deflector's in the way. I'm going to remove it, but there's a spring behind the new deflector, so be careful not to lose it. Just pinch and pull down. Now I can tighten the bottom screw. The spring fits like this into the deflector. The rear guard has a small rounded tab in the center. Line up the end of the spring with that rounded tab, pinch the deflector, and snap it in place. Reinstall the blade in reverse order. Turn the blade bolt counterclockwise to tighten. Pull the guard bracket down and tighten the screw. The blade should be centered in the new rear guard and not catch on anything when turning the blade by hand. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.